Hello, my name is Andrea Walter. I'm going to talk to you today about the primacy-recency effect. We all want students to retain the information that we teach every day. As educators, we can make a small change to help benefit the students' retention. First, at the start of your lesson, also known as Prime Time 1, students need to be given new information on the topic. This information must be correct and is not a time for students to tell their own ideas on the topic. However, it is great for students to give feedback on what they have learned to create an interactive lecture. Following Prime Time 1, students should practice or review during the downtime. This downtime is needed so that the information does not exceed the capacity of the brain and become lost. Last, closure of the lesson should occur during Prime Time 2. This is the time where students will determine the sense and the meaning of the lesson. We should also keep lessons to around 20 minutes long. This ensures us to get the most of our prime time retention and lower the downtime. As David Sousa stated in his book, How the Brain Learns, students tend to remember best what comes first and remember second best that which comes last. When making these few simple changes to our everyday lessons, students' retention will increase and we will get the most out of our time teaching. If you have any further questions, I would be glad to meet with you or reach out to me as my contact information is listed on here.